What's going on, everyone? Today's the 27th of July, 2023. We're here to talk about Rivian and try to make a determination if this stock is ready to explode. I told you all here on the 21st of July that Rivian was due to go up because this is where buyers were buying this stock right here. And as you guys can tell, that is the case, especially on yesterday's trading action on the 26th of July. You guys can see we actually received an indicator of strength into the market in Rivian. So it tells me that we are currently correct in our analysis. So nothing has changed in regards to where we suspect Rivian is going to go. For us to see this push to go up bar though, it tells us that this market is definitely bullish. Here it is on the 2-day time frame. At the end of today, if this market and Rivian close up at the high end of this 2-day price bar, then we still have to look forward to price going up. Here it is on the 3-day as well. Nothing has changed. The completed 3-day price bar tells me that on these 3 days of trading, even though we did see price sell off, the buyers were definitely determined to continue to keep the market going up. So this whole move right here in Rivian is the buyers controlling price, and their bias is still that they're not finished. So why would we want to be finished with the idea that Rivian has a greater probability of going higher than it does right now of going lower? Okay. So I'm actually finished into the market of our analysis. This is going to be a real quick video just to show you that you're currently on track to continue to see the market Rivian go up. Now, currently in pre-market, you can see that it's trading around $28.08. I think that may have been one of my first price targets. So we could actually see the market Rivian hit one of our targets already. You have to go back and see my video on the 21st of July to get that though. Okay. Now my ultimate take profit price is here around like $29, $30 or so. Okay. So as we quickly see earnings approaching into the market in Rivian, this is where we may see price reverse. Just saying. Just be ready for it. All right, so that's it. I'm through. I really don't think that the market in Rivian is going to explode, but there's definitely emphasis that this stock is strong. Okay, now to define explode, I would say the market has to go like 20%. Okay, can we see it go up 7, 10, 13%? Yeah. Now you may consider that as an explosion in price, but not to me. But that's it. I'm done. The market is not hard or complicated. I mean, you got people out here talking about fractals and buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity, parabolic, Fibonacci, MACD, RSI Bollingers. Just relax. It's just a market, and we just see it for what it is. You begin to see that the market is a place to where people tell you what their bias is. Now, when you come into the market, you can only have two biases. One is a buyer's bias, and the other is a seller's bias, right? And whichever side of the scale weighs the most is where price is going to go. So as we look at Rivian market right now, which side of the market do you think has the greater bias? Yes, it's the buyers, because they're the one that's currently moving this market from one direction to the next. And when that scale flips and the sellers begin to control, then you already know that there's a greater probability for price to go back down. That's it. And once you begin to understand that, you begin to see things on a chart that doesn't require a massive amount of analysis about price. It's all about people's perception on what they think a stock's price is going to do. See, nobody comes into the stock market expecting to lose. They come in expecting to win. Every trade that they put on, the first automatic thinking that they have is that it's going to be right. Otherwise, they wouldn't put on a position. They wouldn't buy or sell a stock, and they didn't think that what they were going to do was going to pan out wrong. If anybody felt that what they were doing was going to be wrong, they wouldn't do it. So every trade that we see on this price chart is people's perception of them being right, not wrong. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain your profitability. And as always, trade different.